Goraku, used when talking about weekends or when you want to relax and refresh. Goraku, 休日の話や気分をリフレッシュしたいときに使います。It is used as a noun. In simple terms, goraku means things or activities that entertain, amuse, or give you recreation. 人を楽しませる活動や気分転換のための遊びのことです。映画やゲームなどの楽しみ全般を指します。The first kanji means amusement or pleasure. It often appears in words like goraku bangumi and goraku shisetsu. Think of making people smile and relax. The feel is light and playful. The second kanji means ease, joy, and also music. You know it from ongaku and tanoshii. It carries a warm, happy feeling. It can also hint at comfort or relief. There is little entertainment in this town. この町には娯楽が少ないです。この町には娯楽が少ないです。Movies are my favorite form of entertainment. 映画は私の一番の娯楽です。映画は私の一番の娯楽です。I enjoy entertaining at home on the weekends. 週末に家で娯楽を楽しみます。週末に家で娯楽を楽しみます。I need some entertainment after work. 仕事の後、少し娯楽が欲しいです。仕事の後、少し娯楽が欲しいです。The most common synonyms of the word are reja and kibarashi. Reja is casual free-time activities, often outdoors or travel. Kibarashi is a short mood-changing diversion. Both overlap with goraku as ways to have fun, but goraku is broader and more general. The most common antonyms of the word are shigoto and benkyou. They focus on duty and effort, not fun or amusement.